The National Heirloom Expo has been called the World's Fair of Pure Food. Join us September 10th through the 12th, 2024 at the Ventura County Fairgrounds in Ventura, California to experience this one-of-a-kind event.
The National Heirloom Expo is like a dreamland for gardeners. I love that everything that I love doing is all in one place.
The Expo is much more than just a dazzling display of heirloom varieties. The 3-day event features talks and panels by national and international experts on gardening, sustainable growing, seed saving, and health. The Expo is also home to the world's largest seed swap, where you can share seeds and the stories behind them all 3 days of the event. Produce is the real star of the Expo, and you can explore a world of color and flavor through the gorgeous educational displays. Sample and savor heirloom watermelons, tomatoes, exotic fruit, and other delicious offerings. The Vendors Hall is a wonderful place to discover leading-edge products and ideas related to natural food, gardening, and green living, with vendors selling everything from seeds to hot sauce. Explore the streets of the fairgrounds to enjoy healthy local food and drink, entertainment, and music. And check out the poultry show, where heritage breed birds compete for blue ribbons and bragging rights. Expo is the #1 heirloom event in America. But don't just take our word for it. Come and see it for yourself.